Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to add and customize an icon button on Wix. Let's get started. So in order to do that, just click on this plus icon right here, which is the Add Elements icon. Now, from in there, you should be able to see this button right here. And under these buttons, you should be able to see some icon buttons right here. So click on icon buttons, and you should be able to see those things. So in order to add this, you can just head over and make sure to just click on them. So for example, you want to add this telephone icon, just drag this right here, for example, or right here, and click on this one, and then just drag this right around there. Now, as you can see, we can actually see it since this color blue. Now, what we can do is we can click on this design right here. Now, under the design, just click on this customize design, and then click on this background fill, and then make sure to change the background fills for this one. You can also just choose the actual color of the button if you want. So let's head over and just change everything that we can change on this one. So head over to this background fills, and then let's choose another fill for this one. So you can choose this background fill that you can use for this. So for me, I'll just choose this red, and then let's increase the opacity of this one in order to see it more clearly. Now, there are some layers to that, as you can see now that we can see it. Now, we can also head over to the hover, and under this hover, you can also change the fills for this. Totally depends on you what you want. So let's head back again to our customize design option. Now in here, you can change the text, the borders, the corners, as well as shadows, layout, and the icon itself. So you can change the color of the icon right here. Like for example, you want to make it white. So let's click on this one. And once you have clicked on this, as you can see, it will turn white. Now for this one, it will also show in here on the show icon. Now what we can do in here in order to link it on another is to just click on this link right here. And since this is a phone icon, you can just head over and click on this phone number, and then let's just add in a phone number for here, for example. Then from in there, click on done. Now, once people click on this button, they should be able to see that specific option or phone that we have put in there. So that's the whole process. If you have found this video helpful, so please leave a like below or subscribe because it helps reach more people. See you soon.